Inspired by the cfmoto NK heritage, the cfmoto 250 NK is a powerful and agile motorcycle. Stay tuned as we talk about it. I'm Tris Bikes and welcome today to our channel. The cfmoto has 249cc, it's a single cylinder and has liquid cooling system. The unprecedented thrilling riding experience with a total weight of 151 kgs from 0 to 200 meters only takes less than 9.8 seconds, and 11.3 seconds is enough to take you further. Just enjoy being the eye-catching one on the congested road. It also has an all-color TFT display. The technological TFT display tells you everything and gives you a timely feedback in an easy glance. You can choose from rain mode and sport mode as well, which can also be effectively switched over automatically according to changes of light intensity. The hand grip button, its compact and fit-to-hand button design, is a great benefit for a safe ride. With thoughtful backlight design, it can provide better visibility at night. LED lights are applied to illuminate your ride through the night. The tail light, turning light, and parking lights feature clearer indicating effects, with longer service life and even more environmentally friendly. With a unique NK headlight, you will not find it hard to notice even at night. The bike has a maximum payload capacity of 150 kg and a fuel capacity of 12.5 liters. The color option can be silver or black, Nebula Black. The seat height is 795 millimeters, and anyone who is from 5'6" can be perfect for this ride. The front tire is a 110/70 with a rim of 17, and the rear tire is a 140/60 with a rim of 17 as well. We have financing option for this motorcycle. Make sure you visit your nearest dealer to find more about the financing option. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and see you in the next video. My name is Tris and ride safe. See you on the other side. Bye bye.